Hey everyone, welcome to our video, where we compare two powerful cleaning technologies: water filter vacuums and HEPA filters. Are you wondering which one is more effective in eliminating dust, allergens, and pollutants from your home? Stay tuned as we uncover the differences and help you make an informed decision. Let's dive right in. Please check the description link, I will provide detailed information. Introduction to water filter vacuums. Water filter vacuums are innovative cleaning appliances that utilize the power of water to trap dust and particles. The principle behind these vacuums is simple yet effective. As the air is pulled into the vacuum, it passes through a water reservoir that acts as a filtration system. Advantages of water filter vacuums. One of the key advantages of water filter vacuums is their ability to effectively capture both large and small particles. The water acts as a natural filter, trapping dirt, allergens, and even pet dander. This makes water filter vacuums an excellent choice for individuals with allergies or asthma. Limitations of water filter vacuums. However, it's important to note that water filter vacuums require regular maintenance. The water reservoir needs to be emptied and cleaned after each use to prevent bacterial growth. Additionally, these vacuums can be bulkier and heavier compared to traditional models, making them less maneuverable in tight spaces. Introduction to HEPA filters. Now, let's shift our focus to HEPA filters. HEPA stands for High Efficiency Particulate Air and is a type of filter known for its exceptional filtration capabilities. Benefits of HEPA filters. HEPA filters are designed to capture 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, including dust, pollen, mold spores, and pet dander. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.